VeThor currently trading, guys, at 0.002 with a market cap of $94 million, ranked number 292 on the list, guys. Now, this cryptocurrency, you guys can get it on Binance, Gate.io, MEXC, cryptoexchange.com, Toko Crypto, VTHO, let me see, VTRU, Vechain. So they're on a bunch of different platforms, guys. So you guys can have the availability for trading and cast positions. Now, guys, this crypto does have a score, has a CCC but stable outlook. And also, if you guys want to find out more news, guys, go to their website, vechain.org, and check out the Twitter page, guys. But now let's get into the details about this price prediction, guys. So I made a video about this April 15th. This crypto at the time was ranked 265. Now this thing is ranked 292, so it dropped about 30 spots on the list. And now, guys, it's at half of what it currently was. It was at 4.004. Now it's at 0.002. Now, I was talking about in the video that it will break this support zone of 0.003 and head down lower. And in that video, guys, please check it out. It actually did do that. It broke down that 0.003, and now it's heading down to, I believe, even lower. But let's get to analysis, look at the weekly, see the big frame of what's happening. So I think that a lot of people are thinking that this is the reversal point, and a lot of people are going to end up buying right here. Now, I think it might pop up a little, but I think it's going to head even lower. And I think the next price target is going to be 0.009. I'm sorry, 0.000309. Even lower than that. But we'll see when it gets there, and I'll show you how, I'll see why I think that. So I think there will be a little bump up, and I think a lot of people will take advantage of this little price bump up. But I think it'll be temporary. And I think ultimately it will retest this low and possibly bounce up a little bit, but ultimately break that and head down lower. Something like this. It'll go up, pop up. People think that the trend is reversing, but possibly a fake out, but then head down even lower to the 0.009 right here. And I think that's what the price target will be. Now, if I'm wrong, guys, I do updated videos. I'm not always right when it comes to these things, but when it comes to VeThor, it is on a very big downtrend and it's taking a lot of pain. So if you're hodling, doing dollar cost averaging in, you might want to see that it might go down even lower. For me, I wouldn't even enter this trade. I mean, if I was going to short it, maybe, but I'm not shorting this crypto at all. I would say that for me, it would just be a cast position. I'm sorry, a short position if I was going to do it, but it hitting 0.0009 is the price where I think it's going to go. Just tell me what you guys' thoughts are about this crypto, guys. You guys are using the platform, using this crypto. You guys are dollar cost averaging in. You guys are trading with leverage. Just give me your thoughts on about this cryptocurrency, guys. But let's head to my website, andrejmcclain.com. You want to learn more about free indicators, custom indicators, because I make indicators. If you want to talk about how I can do that for you, if you're looking for MetaTrader 4 and 5, go to my website. You know, stuff like that, for trading, stocks, economy. But that's the video, guys. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.